A really good job, Jake, eliminating all the struggle associated with the fitting instructions for a range of our products. So new instructions that use less paper, organisation into a fantastic file system, and eliminated a lot of the waste with it. A nice work, Mark, continuing to add product labels on the racking. And Damien, before and after, looking premium. And again on the other trolley, great use of using a kind of an old floor mat. It's fantastic. Peter, before and after, putting the air blower back where it was on the magnetic hook. And before and after in the yard, Jake and Alex. Maybe we could get the jet wash out soon. And Charlie with a quick straighten up upstairs. Let's keep it that way, great job. And Sam had a wobbly shelf affecting the weighing machine, so we added some extra bolts to make it more strong, really good. And Slavek with a before and after, looking shiny and premium. And also adding some cleaning brackets and WD-40 and thinners. Great job. You got exactly what you need where you need it. Great job everyone, thank you very much.